Hi guys, let's have a look at this question on the board. That has to do with square root sign or radicals, right? We have this. Now, this first square root sign covers the both square root signs. And in a situation like this, start with the last one, all right? Remember that in indices, if you have root x raised to the power 8, it means x raised to the power 8 raised to a half. This means this, right? So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. So I have x raised to the power 4. This becomes the square root of x raised to the power 8 becomes x raised to the power 4. So I'm going to have root 44 x raised to the power 2 plus root 24 plus root x raised to the power 8 becomes x raised to the power 4. Are we together? Right. Now I'm done with the first root here. This is 24 x raised to the power 4. Yes, 24 x raised to the power 4. Now this x raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 4. Now this is 1 x raised to the power 4. So 24 x raised to the power 4 plus 1 x raised to the power 4 will give us 25. We're going to have 24 x raised to the power 4 plus 1 x raised to the power 4 will give us 25 x raised to the power 4. Yes, so that gives us, we have 44 x raised to the power 2 plus root 25 x raised to the power 4. Right, again, look at this. Now, root 25, the square root of 25 is 5. The square root of x raised to the power 4 is x raised to the power 2. Remember what I've done here? All right, so this gives me, this gives us 44, root 44 x raised to the power 2 plus 5 x raised to the power 2. Is that right? Yeah, the root of 25, 5. The root of x raised to the power 4 is x raised to the power 2. Now I have 44 x raised to the power 2 plus 5 x raised to the power 2. The same power. So I will have now root 44 plus 5 gives me 49 x raised to the power 2. Right. And finally, the root of 49, 7. The root of x raised to the power 2 is x. Final answer. There you have it. Simple, right? Please don't forget to like this, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Thank you.